Put your hand up if you can remember some of the things we talked about yesterday in maths. Yana? Oh, yeah, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the stuff that we did. But you're right about Minecraft too. Raji?
1 centimetre.
What can you tell me about 1 centimetre?
1 centimetre is the size of our cubes. Wait. 10 centimetres?
10 centimetres.
Yeah.
Okay, so what part of your cube that you made yesterday was 10 centimetres? Leon?
The straws.
The straws. So each of the sides of your cube were 10 centimetres long, weren't they? Awesome, well done. Oh, there we go. So we've got 10 of the 100 square centimetres. Now when you write square, sorry, they're cubic centimetres because they're cubes. I do cm with a little 3 up there. The 3 stands for cubic centimetres, okay? So we've just filled up our 10 centimetre cube with how many 100 centimetre cubes, Leon? How many of these? 10 of those? Yeah, okay. So we've got 10 100 centimetre place value blocks. What's 10 times 100? How do we do that? If you multiply something by 10, what do we do? What's the trick?
1,000.
1,000? Lucas?
1,000.
1,000. How do you know that?
Because if you put the 0 by the other 2 zeros, it makes 1,000.
That's right. So we're gonna, if you multiply something by 10, you have to add that 0 to your answer. So that equals 1,000 cubic centimetres, which you write like that. Can you see how I've done the cm with a little 3?
Yep.
The little 3 just means cubic centimetres. Okay, so our 10 centimetre square, our 10 centimetre cube is the same as 1,000 cubic centimetres. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yes.
Awesome. When we made our 10 centimetre squares yesterday, what did we have to do first? I won't ask Kiana because she's already answered something today. Somebody hasn't answered a question today. What did we do first? Yesterday, Josiah? So that we could make that, what did we have to do really carefully?
We had to measure 10 centimetres.
Excellent. And what did we have to make sure we did when we measured our 10 centimetres? The same length for each of your bits. And how did you know, what's the rules when you're using a ruler? Where you start from? Start from 0. Because what happens if you don't?
It'll give up top.
Chandelier? It won't be right. It won't be accurate. Is that what you're going to say? Yep, awesome. So when we made our 10 centimetre cubes yesterday, how many 10 centimetre squares did we need to start with? Yeah? Sorry, how many 10 centimetre squares altogether did we need is the question I was going to ask, Kaneda.
4.
4? To make this? To make the cube? How many, Leon?
6.
6. Okay, so you need the same number of squares as your cube has faces. Okay, and every single straw has to be the right length. So today what you're going to do is you're going to work with a partner and you're going to see if you can make a 5 centimetre cube. So how long are each of your straws going to have to be?
5 centimetres.
5 centimetres. Okay, so you should be able to get out of one straw. How many do you think you're going to get out of one straw? Do you remember how long the straws were?
Yes,
How long were they? No, the whole straw. How long was this?
21.
21, okay, and we don't want to use that bendy end. So for this one, you should be able to get 3 5 centimetres out of one straw, okay?
Yes.
How many are you going to need altogether?
6. No, 5. 4.
Well, you need 4. You need 4 5 centimetres for one square, don't you?
Yes.
So you might want to start by making all of your
Bits and pieces.
squares before you start making your cubes. Leon, have you got a question? Yeah?
How about we made a triangle?
We're going to do just a cube today to see if you guys can remember. Casey,
Are we going to go on the groups again?
you're going to go in pairs. How many people are there in a pair?
2.
2 people. You've got to work together, okay?
Oh, yes.
A pair of people is 2. Alright? So,
Yes.